If you've had a C-section, this could change the way you think about your body forever. First, let me say this, a C-section is nothing short of incredible. It brings life into the world, and for many women, it's life-saving. It's a life-saving procedure for both the mother and child. But once the incision is healing, most women are told, you're healed, you're completely healed. But really, are you? It's cutting into 9 different meridians that run up and down your body and give you energy. The skin may be closed, but what about everything underneath? That's the question I want people to start asking. What does a C-section cause? A C-section isn't just a cut in the skin. It involves multiple layers of tissue that need to heal. Your whole body does an amazing job repairing those tissues, but sometimes scar tissue can form in ways that are not effective. They make tightness, restriction, altered movement. Many women never receive guidance on caring for the scar after the incision heals. They simply move on with life, caring for a newborn, working, raising a family, but never realizing that the scar itself may deserve attention. There are ways to deal with it that make it perfect. Think about your body as an electrical current. When this, with every connection working properly, communication flows smoothly, and the lights turn off and on. But if there's interference somewhere in the circuit, the entire system can be affected. In my work, I encourage people to think of scars in the same way. A C-section scar may become one piece of the body's healing story. But there are a lot of other pieces. Other scars can cause other problems. The interesting thing is that it can contribute to tightness, altered posture, other symptoms that deserve a closer look. That doesn't mean every C-section scar causes problems, but I do think so. It means every scar deserves respect in a way that they need to be treated differently. My C-section scar was 20 years ago, some people say. My scar doesn't hurt anymore. I barely notice that it's there. My response is still, your body remembers, not because it's damaged, but because your body never stops adapting. Your body has been working every single day since that surgery to adapt. It can affect the way that your brain works if you don't treat your scar. Sometimes adapting beautifully, sometimes compensating in ways you've never considered. That's why I encourage women to include their C-section scar as a part of the conversation. When they're looking at their overall health, it makes a big difference. My goal isn't to make people afraid of C-sections. It's quite the opposite. It's to help women understand that healing doesn't necessarily end where the incision closes. Your scar deserves attention. There are different ways to deal with it so that it actually doesn't bother you at all. And you deserve to understand how beautifully connected your body really is. If you've had a C-section, take a moment to look at that scar. Not as a reminder of the C-section or the surgery, but as a reminder of the incredible strength that your body, and as a part of your healing story that may still deserve care. That's the truth about scars.